how to use prepositions in a sentence. Okay, so in English, you could say, I read the book, or I read the book on the table. Okay, I read the book on the table. So our preposition is on, or we give an apple to the teacher. Okay, our preposition being to. In Italian, we do almost exactly the same thing. The only difference here is that we combined the preposition with the definite article. Okay, so you'd have io leggo il libro sulla tavola. Okay, su plus la, sulla tavola. And then we give an apple to the teacher. Noi diamo una mela alla professoressa. So we combine a and la to make alla. Okay, pretty simple, right? Just have to memorize those combined prepositions in the table, okay? And then it'll become much easier.